There's a couple bucks for a dog. Yeah, have a good one, man. Hey, buenos dias, ¿qué pasó, you guys? Welcome back to John's Moto Garage. Today I'm doing a little photo session with Jackie from Jackie's Moto Garage, who hasn't been out in forever. So shout out to a handful of you guys out there. Hashtag do it for Drake. If you don't know what it is, it's just to spread awareness about anti-bullying and suicide awareness. So Drake Hardman is so it's going to be Jackie's cousin's 12-year-old son who took his own life not too long ago. And so I did a video a while back, and a few of you guys reached out and offered to help out, kind of hooked it up. Shout out to Jack Chase 79. He sent out the stickers and the shirt, got all that stuff going. And then additional big shout out to Joshua Roberts, who linked up with CM Moto Shop. CM Moto Shop did a 3-hole cover, which would be for their little hashtag do it for Drake as well. That matches up with the purple and stuff, so pretty cool. Anyway, I threw that sticker on, and we're gonna try and get a decent wheelie shot with Jackie. Do you say hello to the channel?
Hey, still here.
No, everybody wants to know when you're gonna be bringing a comeback tour.
I could do a video right now.
She'll do a comeback tour here soon enough. Anyway, we're gonna try to get a couple wheelies. This seems to be the spot, more or less, yeah? Alright, we'll give it a shot. First one of the day. I don't think I've scraped my fender ever since I had Cruzy cut it shorter. I haven't scraped it short since I've been back from traveling. I've done it, and it's back there. It's back there. I kind of wish I hadn't adjusted it so short, because I used to be able to get nice, good scrapes. Anyway, try some staggereds. See how this goes. That one I tipped back a little bit just to kind of gauge for it, but it's far back there. I know it is because I've done it. It's beyond 12 o'clock. Definitely beyond 12 o'clock. What do you think?
What?
Any decent ones or nah? Nah.
Hey, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to Jackie's Moto Garage. What?
No, I can see my shadow in there.
Oh.
You're fine, go ahead.
Okay. But make sure you stay tuned for all those, and I'll catch you on the next one.